there, please, if you could, Sean. EK from 793 RPSU Alpha. I'm going to need Gorgans returned to me and search a suspicious barrel which is right outside the bank. I've got Gorgans with me, but it's not very tough. I need someone to search that as a matter of priority, please.
Yeah, that's received, Sarge. Try and get one up and running for you. Just for your info, we've had multiple explosions across all of central London. They're obviously straining. Stand by.
Yes, sir.
To the left.
That's it. Good, well done. Good lads. Excellent. Good girl, well done. Said I'll walk out, didn't I? We're walking out together. Good. No, all out. Good girl, well done. All right. Good girl. No more down there now. That's it. Just not anyone else. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. There's some privacy now.
Go ahead.
Yes, from an officer on scene, initial reports do not suggest explosion, possible electrical fault, but we're doing a containment in order to establish if an expert can come down and confirm that for us, you see.
Take it as understood. We've also got reports of power failure in the King's Cross area that may be the same. Over.
Yeah, received. We'll liaise with City the best we can at this time, but we're going to have to close Old Broad Street in order to do a containment of this with it being this time of day. You see?
Go ahead, over.
Can you attach me, please, and can we get all the police officers out of the underground station onto the main station, please, from the Chief Inspector there?
Go ahead, over.
Apparently we have smoke coming out of the tunnel. Station has been evacuated. It will not be open till London Fire Brigade comes and attends till we get clearance. But at the moment, station evacuated, smoke coming out of tunnel.
And the train that's involved in this incident, there's no visible damage on the carriage side of it. However, we've not been able to check underneath the train, so we cannot confirm any damage there. There is strong smell of smoke from one of the carriages, but no visual sign of any damage.
I've got a Met liaison here, and over the radio they're receiving reports of walking winded of a train collision between Liverpool Street and Aldgate. Can we ask someone to check that out? The trains have not collided.
So all received. Out to you.
Can you stand by one, the Bravo Kilo unit, go ahead.
Whatever's happened to Liverpool Street, there's a knock-on effect to King's Cross Underground. The station has been evacuated and all those public are clear at this stage, over. The second report that's now coming over the Met radio is that behind the collisions we've now got persons trapped in the tube, trapped and walking in the underground.
Thanks, I'm on site now. I'm liaising with officers on the scene. I'm going to need a silver or someone from the railway in relation to visiting the scene to see if this is an electrical discharge, over.
Received, the RVP's Old Broad Street. We're trying to get City Police Senior Officer and also Railway Rep to liaison.
Go ahead, over.
Yeah, apologies. Can we establish if NSY are sending a unit from SO13? I would imagine that LUL may be reluctant to go down until it's confirmed it's not a device. Received?
So all received. We'll put that over to CAD and see if we can get that sorted out for you.
Yeah, received. As I say, I'm on the ground, so I would suggest that may be something that should be put in motion, because otherwise we're not sure that the scene is safe. No one actually having viewed it from this location at this time. See?
So received. We had a further update from Alpha India Control, which states of a train collision. That's what the Metropolitan Police are picking up, over.
I'm at Liverpool Street at the moment. From the underground staff, apparently they've had some people injured at Aldgate trying to get out. What we're going to have to do, I think, is get a separate channel for this, because this is going to impact on all of the underground stations along this line. So can you, first of all, give us a different channel to work on? And secondly, can we start deploying officers to every underground station which has got an exit from this?
Go ahead, over.
Yeah, I'm at Aldgate Station. Confirmed this is a train accident. Declare major incident. We have numerous injured people at this station at this time.
All units are stand by. Any Lima Tango units able to attend Edgware Road at Metline Underground Station. We've got reports there of a person being struck by a train. It's a grade 1 call, BX, over.
An urgent request for ambulance to Aldgate from paramedics and fire brigade on trains. They're repeating these trains will die if they do not get immediate care. We need ambulances to Aldgate urgently, over.
Go ahead, over.
Yeah, latest on the Met radio is obviously we've got 2 lines, 2 explosions, 1 in a carriage. So obviously we may have 2 incidents running here. I'm going to deploy 16 from headquarters to assist the King's Cross.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, I'm at Aldgate. I can confirm bomb damage to train, 1 carriage completely wiped out, at least 9 people very seriously injured and trapped, 2 confirmed fatalities, too numerous to count injured. Fire brigade are now with us, won't go trackside until power is confirmed off. We're going to need paramedics to the train urgently. There are 9 people very seriously injured. Receive, over.
Go ahead.
I'm at Edgware Road speaking with BTP here. Apparently there does appear to have been an explosion on a carriage at Liverpool Street. Over.
That's all received. Go ahead.
Yeah, update from station supervisor at Edgware Road, Bakerloo line. Apparently all underground stations have been closed.
That's received.
BTP liaison, go ahead, duty, over.
Yeah, we're just heard a loud explosion at Tavistock Place. Didn't feel any movement, but there's been another explosion somewhere.
Yeah, BTP liaison noted at GT, just keep us updated.
Yeah, can't see anything, but very loud.
Yeah, received BTP liaison, received at GT.
GT receiving BTP liaison.
BTP liaison, go ahead, GT, over.
Yeah, apparently there's been an explosion on a bus at Tavistock Place, junction with Woburn Square, over.
Squared.
The decon team at the scene, the hospital inspector wants to know what hospitals are taking the wounded, over.
We know that Aldgate are sending to the Royal London. Other than that, we do not know just any hospital you can get them to.
Just a reminder for all units, if you do complete your current assignment and you are available for redeployment, please let us know, because there are plenty of other places for you to go, GT over. GT over.
Russell Square, for information, there's 100 plus on the train still. Confirmed one fatality at least. The platform is clear, and we've got numerous casualties and in desperate need of ambulances. Russell Square, over.
Okay, we have LS liaison here now, we'll see what we can do, over. You go, GT, over.
Yeah, our current deployment is as follows. One carrier will be escorting London Transport buses full of casualties to hospital, and the rest of my team, all the drivers, are being asked to drive ambulances because the ambulance drivers are employed on treating with the wounded. So, serial driving ambulances to hospital and one carrier escorting buses, over.
Yes, that's all received. GT, over.
Yeah, I've spoken to Silver. He is fine, other than he requires body recovery teams for the fatalities.
Yes, received. Does he want the Met body recovery teams, or does the BTP going to deal with that, GT?
My information is that they only have one body recovery team and require Met body recovery.
Yes, all received. That will be arranged, GT. Go ahead, GT.
We're now overhead Liverpool Street, down linking. 99 are currently on the ground refuelling, so you should be getting a constant picture now from one of the two aircraft. ASU is up and running now in GT very shortly, monitoring your channel on MPS2. Have you any further directions for us, over?
You're something. I've got the ASU skipper next to me, GT.
I've spoken to the superintendent of BTP. They can confirm there's at least 20 fatalities. They have not got an exact number.
Go ahead, GT.
If you could contact Sergeant 112A Alpha, he and his officers actually went trackside in the early stages. They may be able to assist you, over.
Yes, I received 112 Alpha, 112 Alpha, GT.
Yeah, go ahead, GT to 112A Alpha.
Yeah, Sergeant 112 Alpha, can you confirm, please, the number of fatalities and wounded, if you can, at your location, GT?
Yeah, GT, I heard your last. I witnessed 2 fatalities. Unfortunately, I can't confirm casualties or the correct number of fatalities, but if you give me a couple of minutes, I'll find out for you.
Good girl, well done. Said I'll walk out, didn't I? We're walking out together. Good. No, way out. Good girl, well done. You're right. Good girl. No more down there now. That's it. Just not anyone else.
Yeah, please, if you could, Sean.
To the left.
Sorry, Sarge.
I've got a lone dog that's tied up outside the NatWest. I believe it belongs to a dog handler. I'm going to need dog handlers to return to me and search a suspicious barrel which is right outside the bank. I've got dog handlers with me, but it's not very tough. I need someone to search that as a matter of priority, please.
Yeah, that's received, Sarge. Try and get one up and running for you. Just for your info, we've had multiple explosions across all of central London. They're obviously straining. Stand by.